In this video, we will discuss how to add custom column within contact from 7. So we already covered on our free versions video like how to add 2 column, 3 column, or 4 column within contact from 7. A link of that video should be available on top of this video by now. In this video, we will discuss how to add custom column. That means, let's say you want to add these 3 columns, but first one is 36%, which second is 41, and third is 23%. So how you can do it, that's where our custom column add-on comes in handy. So you can create the column as value of preference. So let me show you how it works. First of all, you need to make sure all these plugins are enabled. A link of that video is on top of this video by now, how to enable all these plugins. You need to go to all add-ons and look for a column and make sure column 3 version and column custom weight, both of these are enabled. Now let's go ahead and add a new form. And now, click this add column button. So here you can see we have these 3 column tags. So how to add these are already covered on our previous video. Here is the custom column option. So we'll be adding 3 columns. So you can add either pixel based or percentage based. I'll prefer percentage based because of the responsiveness issue. So on mobile version, these will go back to 100% by default, but these will have killed the mobile version. So first one, I'm putting 45%. Second one, 35%. So that's 80%. Third one is 20%, right? So now let's insert. So now what you can do is put your code here. I'm just doing some house cleaning. This, so here and here. Now we add this first from here. Second one here. Third one. There. Now let's save. Now let's view this form. So as you can see, we now have 45%, 35%, 20%. Let's play around a little bit more. So let's make this one 25, make this one 55. So that's 80%. I could make this 60 and then make this one 15%. By the way, it doesn't even have to be 5 or 10. It can be 13% and we like this 27%. Now let's check. There you go. So that's how the custom column works. Let us know in the comments if we have any questions.